Welcome back to Jacobication. This video is about the filter function. Returns a filter object of the result after running a given function on each item of a given structure that holds multiple values. Structure could be list, tuple, set, string. Takes in a function in a structure. The given function returns true or false depending on whether or not an item belongs. To convert the output to the format you most likely want it in, use the constructor method that matches the type of the original structure. For example, if the original structure was a list, use the list constructor, except for strings because of the way that constructor works. The str constructor on a filter object calls its double under str method, which returns filter object at and then some ID. An ID is not necessarily a memory address, but it uniquely identifies the object. Examples: this manipulates a string and takes out any letter that's not a vowel, so in the end it returns EO space O. In this example, takes out any number in the list that's not odd, so then you're left with 1, 3, and 5.